All right, everybody, welcome back. Welcome to the lake. What do we have here? We have a modded H17. If you've been following my channel, then you know my niece painted a boat, and this happens to be it. I rigged her up with 1414 ABC, 2958 rocket, castle sidewinder, 1800 SMC. Nothing special. Mad lizard swoop fin. We're gonna throw in the water, give her a quick shakedown, and just kind of see how she moves. Don't really want to push her too much. This is a super hyper light hull, and I don't want to ruin my niece's boat, so we'll take it easy, give her a quick shakedown, check water cooling, check ride attitude, and we will take it from there. See what she needs and see what's up. If we have some time, we'll swap a battery, maybe a prop. All right, boys, so I'll tape her up, and we'll see everybody at the water. I told my niece that boats are usually named, and they're usually named after girls, so she named this boat Maya Papaya. So we're gonna extend that and name it Miss Maya Papaya. So here we go, maiden run for Miss Maya Papaya. Let's see how she goes. We'll check trim, we'll check water cooling, we'll check ride attitude. The water's super filthy, but we'll take it a little easy, and we'll give it a shot. All right, boys, here we go. Maiden run, Miss Maya Papaya. Water cooling good. Oh, right, nice. I think my battery is dead. I might have put in the wrong pack. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I put in the wrong pack, boys. Running nice, though. Yeah, I put in the wrong pack. Well, that sucked. All right, well, let's go put in a better pack. Let's see. Well, no water. That's good. Yeah, it's super warm, super fast. That's weird. There is water, so I mean, she did plow a little bit, but wow, that battery's toasty. Let's see what we got here on this battery. Oh, his battery's dead. All right. Okay. That is the ugliest looking duck I've seen. Look at this thing. Poor guy. What's up with his face? Is that how he's supposed to be? I don't know. All right, boys, here we go. Round 2 of the Maiden. Just retaped her. And we will see how she does. We'll see how she does. All right, give it another shot. We should have a good battery this time. Keep moving. Oh, like 3/4 throttle right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Man, our turn fin moved like crazy. All right. Probably 40. Looking nice. Let's do some laps with her. Oh, she got some oversteer. She got a lot of oversteer. All right, turn fin is moving again. Come on. All right, we'll just do some laps. She's not running perfectly, but let's see here. Yeah, she's doing that on her own.
Dude, that thing's badass.
Thanks, dude.
Who makes it?
I do.
Oh, you build them?
I do.
I used to race on-road cars, so
Oh, cool.
I'm all geeked out about it.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yeah. What do you do when you flip it?
I have two things. I have this rescue boat, or I have this fishing pole right here.
Oh, hell yeah.
Sometimes we can give her a little flip if we get underneath her. Boom. Flipped. Steering's weird. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that broke her. For sure. Oh my God, she's full of water. Oh, because I broke the shit out of her. Wow. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. That was not good. I feel absolutely horrible right now. Did not have to do that. Well, that totally sucks. Really nice, good ride attitude, good everything. All right, we gotta call it, unfortunately. I mean, it's repairable, but you're gonna see the repair over the paint. So, wow, I feel bad. She even signed the boat. Should have had this turn fin tightened a lot more. Either way, it doesn't matter. Hope everybody enjoyed that short-lived, disappointing video. I know I enjoyed the 5 minutes of running the boat. She looked super cool on the water, though, I can tell you that. Either way, we'll give her a repair. Give her a major repair. We got to pull it all out. We got to repair her from the inside. All doable. That's fine. That's fine. Could be worse, boys. It could always be worse. She could have sunk, and I could have gone back and told my niece, hey, I lost your boat. So, thanks for tuning in, boys. I appreciate it, and we'll see you back next time.